What's going on, guys? Sean here. Welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm going to give you 5 tips from Bill Gates himself on how you can be successful. So if you're ready, let's get into it.
Nerf this!
If you're finding my channel for the first time, consider subscribing because in each and every video I do try to make you the best version of you. So let's jump into the video. Number 1 is to work hard. It's simple, it's cliche, but it's the truth. You're not going to get anywhere in life without putting in work. So you got to make sure you got to put in the time, put in the hours, put in the effort it takes required to achieve whatever you want to achieve. There's a rule, it's called the 10,000 hour rule, and basically it states it's going to take you 10,000 hours of practice of doing anything to be a quote-unquote master. Now obviously there's people like professional athletes and, you know, world-class musicians that have put well over 1,000 hours in their careers in working on their craft, but basically what I'm trying to say is they've all worked extremely hard to get where they are at. So number 1 is to work hard. Today I do have to get my hair cut because this mop just has to go and I gotta run around and do some errands. Let's keep this thing rolling, but first, coffee. Got the fire roaring because it's getting cold up here in the Boston area.
It feels like you just filmed that.
I know, right? The Shui, being a Shui. She was kind enough to make me some coffee. I didn't even have to work for it. Good coffee. So now that I'm all caffeinated, I'm gonna go get my hair cut, but first, before I go, if you didn't see my last video, I basically made it all on the 5-minute journal and why it's important to do this every single day. So I'm gonna link it above me right now. Go watch it if you haven't. So I got probably 3/4 of the way to the barber shop and I realized I forgot my wallet. So I'm turning around right now to go get it. Joy. So just got back home, got the wallet. Everything is good. I gotta stop at an ATM because I don't have any cash, but I thought now would be as good a time as any to give you number 2. Number 2 is to ask for advice. Another thing that seems like common sense, but we all know common sense isn't that common. So if you don't know something, ask. If you're not sure about something, ask. If you want to know the best course of action on how to go about something, ask. It's as simple as that. If you never ask, the answer will always be no. So definitely ask for advice. Seek those who are where you want to be and get feedback and advice from them. Number 2, guys, ask for advice from your boy, Billy G. Now let's go get this haircut. I feel like a new man after that haircut, and I don't know about you guys, but I can never be mad on a day when I get my haircut. So let me give you tip number 3. Tip number 3 is to find good people. And if you're an owner of a company, you're gonna wanna find good people that are going to run your company the way that you would run it. And good people are hard to come by, in all honesty, so make sure you do your research. Now, as far as goal setting and achieving goals goes, you're gonna wanna find someone that's gonna bring out the best in you, that's not gonna let you slack, because iron sharpens iron. So I know for me, there's a few people in my life that hold me accountable, and I'm super grateful for them, but definitely find an accountability partner. And if you're an owner of a company, find someone who's going to do things just as good as you, if not better. So number 3 on how to be successful from Bill Gates himself is to find good people. I'm gonna get home, the wind's starting to pick up. Let's keep this thing going. met him back at the address. I think Lily and I are gonna go get some food, and she's gotta get some stuff at like Ulta, and she wants to check out some other stores. I think she said Nordstrom and Saks off 5th.
Possibly.
Possibly, just depends.
And Bath and Body Works.
Bath and Body Works, that's the one I was thinking of. So we're gonna go do that, and obviously I'll give you the next tip over there, but first I gotta rinse off and get these hairs all out of my ears and stuff. So we're at Chick-fil-A right now. It is freaking packed, because if you're from the Boston area, then you know that Chick-fil-A's are few and far between, but they've been popping up. Like, I think the first one was like in Burlington, and they have one in Dedham, which is the closest one to us. It's like a half-hour away, but this is Lily's first time having it. First time, are you kidding me? My mom used to live down in Florida, and down south they have them everywhere. So I've had it before. But scale of 1 to 10, how do you think it was?
Easily 11. Easily.
Wow.
Just like something about it. Something about it.
It's a new shiny toy, that's what it is.
Yeah, that's exactly what it is.
No, it was bomb.
Yeah.
As usual.
I always see people talking about it, and I like envy them. I'm like, I want a Chick-fil-A. And I got it.
We're gonna go over to Legacy Place to get some other stuff, go to the other stores, and I'll catch you over there. So we're currently at Legacy Place, going to get candles and stuff like that, and see what else is around. But keep on watching, because I'm gonna give you the 4th tip shortly. Uh-oh, she's got the bag. Yikes. Sorry, I was gonna say something, but you're just so beautiful. So she got what she needed in Bath and Body Works. Now we're gonna head off to Ulta.
I went shopping!
Yep, she got some stuff from the Ulties and the Bath and Body Works.
I love October because everything is pink because of Breast Cancer Awareness Month. And
I didn't really film in the department stores, only because they always are playing music that's gonna like not be good for the channel.
you look really good.
Thank you. So we're gonna head home now, and I'll give you tip number 4 when we get there. So we're back home, obviously. Number 4, guys, is to enjoy what you do. You can't be successful at anything if you don't truly enjoy what you're doing to some aspect. So you have to love what you do. And again, it's another cliche, but my boy Billy ain't lying. You gotta love what you do, so do something you're passionate about. We're gonna go inside, put this stuff away. I'm gonna get ready for the gym, and I'm gonna wrap up the video there. Alright guys, hoodie back on, sweats on, ready to get this work in and have a good workout. I'm gonna wrap the video up here for tip 5 from Bill Gates, and that is to have a sense of humor. And you can't take yourself so seriously all the time. For example, when I'm filming, when I'm walking around in public with this camera in my face and Lily's right next to me and I mess up, we both laugh about it, you know, and I just gotta re-say what I'm supposed to say. And sometimes I cut it out, sometimes I just leave it in there, because, I mean, you can't always be perfect. So learn to roll with it, roll with the punches, roll with the good times, roll with the good... Like there, I just messed up, see? Roll with the good times, roll with the bad times, and just have fun with it, man, you know? Have a sense of humor, know that life is meant to be enjoyed. Life is funny, there are funny moments, so, you know, just laugh about it. Sometimes,
What
see,
is that?
I just messed up again.
Oh my god.
Sometimes things happen that seem like a big deal, but 5 years later, you look back and you laugh. So just learn how to have a sense of humor. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you need a little refresher, I'm gonna put everything that Billy Boy recommended right here. And I do release videos every Monday to get your week started and every Friday to get your weekend going. So make sure you subscribe, and I will check you next time. Thanks so much. Signing off.